Snakes could be the source of the Wuhan coronavirus outbreak by Haitao Guo, Guangxiang George Luo and Shou Jiangao. What do you need to know about coronavirus? Virus couldn't come at worse time for China. Sea walking shark discovered near Australia. Wuhan coronavirus death toll rises, as city imposes transport lockdown. The many-banded crate, Bungaroo's multisectus, also known as the Taiwanese crate or the Chinese crate, is highly venomous species of the leopard snake found in much of central and southern China and Southeast Asia. The illness was first reported in late December 2019 in Wuhan, major city in central China, and has been rapidly spreading. Since then, sick travelers from Wuhan have infected people in China and other countries, including the United States, using samples of the virus isolated from patients. Scientists in China have determined the genetic code of the virus and used microscopes to photograph it. The pathogen responsible for this pandemic is new coronavirus. It's in the same family of viruses as the well-known severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus, SARS-CoV, and Middle East respiratory syndrome coronavirus, MERS-CoV, which have killed hundreds of people in the past 17 years. The World Health Organization has named the new coronavirus 2019 nCoV. We are virologists and journal editors and are closely following this outbreak because there are many questions that need to be answered to curb the spread of this public health threat. Read more. What is coronavirus? The name of coronavirus comes from its shape, which resembles crown or solar corona when imaged using an electron microscope. Visual guide to the Wuhan coronavirus. The electron microscopic image reveals the crown-shaped structural details for which the coronavirus was named. People infected with these coronaviruses suffer severe inflammatory response. Unfortunately, there is no approved vaccine or antiviral treatment available for coronavirus infection. Better understanding of the life cycle of 2019 nCoV, including the source of the virus, how it is transmitted and how it replicates, are needed to both prevent and treat the disease. Read. What exactly is coronavirus? Zoonotic transmission. Both SARS and MERS are classified as zoonotic viral diseases, meaning the first patients who were infected acquired these viruses directly from animals. This was possible because while in the animal host, the virus had acquired series of genetic mutations that allowed it to infect and multiply inside humans. First U.S. case of Wuhan coronavirus confirmed by CDC. Now these viruses can be transmitted from person to person. In the case of this 2019 coronavirus outbreak, reports state that most of the first group of patients hospitalized were workers or customers at local seafood wholesale market, which also sold processed meats and live consumable animals including poultry, donkeys, sheep, pigs, camels, foxes, badgers, bamboo rats, hedgehogs and reptiles. Life inside ground zero of Wuhan coronavirus outbreak. The hypothesis that the 2019 nCoV jumped from an animal at the market is strongly supported by a new publication in the Journal of Medical Virology. The scientists conducted an analysis and compared the genetic sequences of 2019 nCoV and all other known coronaviruses. The authors further found that the viral RNA coding sequence of 2019 nCoV spike protein, which forms the crown of the virus particle that recognizes the receptor on host cell, indicates that the bat virus might have mutated before infecting people. From bats to snakes, the researchers used an analysis of the protein codes favored by the new coronavirus and compared it to the protein codes from coronaviruses found in different animal hosts, like birds, snakes, marmots, hedgehogs, mantis, bats and humans. Surprisingly, they found that the protein codes in the 2019 nCoV are most similar to those used in snakes. Get CNN Health's weekly newsletter. Sign up here to get the results. Are in with Dr. Sanjay Gupta every Tuesday from the CNN Health team. Snakes often hunt for bats in wild. However, since the outbreak, the seafood market has been disinfected and shut down, which makes it challenging to trace the new virus source animal. Reasons. The US is not ready for pandemic sampling. Viral RNA from animals sold at the market and from wild snakes and bats is needed to confirm the origin of the virus. Nonetheless, the reported findings will also provide insights for developing prevention and treatment protocols. Virus couldn't come at worse time for China. The Chinese crate and the Chinese cobra may be the original source of the newly discovered coronavirus that has triggered an outbreak of deadly infectious respiratory illness in China this winter. Wuhan coronavirus death toll rises, as city imposes transport lockdown. The many banded crate, Bungaroo's multisectus, also known as the Taiwanese crate or the Chinese crate, is highly venomous species of the leopard snake found in much of central and southern China and Southeast Asia. The illness was first reported in late December 2019 in Wuhan, major city in central China, and has been rapidly spreading.